here watching the sunrise. I'll put a time lapse. I did have my glasses off while watching it, but it's too bright now, so I have my sunglasses on. But we are currently a couple of hours away from New York. I put on my little ring to see the difference with the sunlight, and it looks gorgeous. I think we have plenty of time on the ship today, since check out or departure from the ship is at like 2:30 today. So we have a little bit of plans, thinking that we're gonna, you know, eat, mini golf, a lot of the outdoor activities, and I don't know what else they have, like if they have any other like events or classes, but we'll obviously keep this going. And at the end I'll probably have some tips just for like our future purposes and anyone who's trying to go on a cruise. This one I'll have like a bunch of different things that were good, bad, and must not do's kind of thing. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the sunrise a little bit more. We were getting ready for breakfast, and then now I've noticed that there's like a pirate ship out there.
It's like, is that making that noise?
Yeah, because you can hear a doom doom here. Like it hits every beat. So I'm gonna put some photos.
Like drums or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some photos, but this is basically where it's at. Yeah, I'm not sure what it is, but we're trying to see it. The sun's beaming now over there. We can't tell, but there's a lot of buoys in that area, and we hear the bang. So now, after seeing that like pirate ship looking one, we can no longer hear. You can kind of still hear the bangs, but you can see the little boats over there now too.
Yeah, little boats. And then if you look over there, there's a giant square, a rectangle.
Oh yeah, there is. I'll put some pictures. We made it to the murder mystery. This was something that we weren't going to be able to do at all.
We wanted to do it all the time.
But it was always during something else that we had.
Had planned already.
Yeah. So, kind of glad that the ship got a little delayed, because now we get to do this, and apparently we're not missing out on what they did before, because it's
been the
same thing. So we got our little envelopes. We're just waiting for the murder mystery to start at this point.
What if I get murdered? I won't be here, right? They take you.
We have 40 minutes to figure out who killed Luna Grace. Okay.
You gotta read every piece of information on here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
We do.
Read this. Simsbury, Connecticut.
It's in. It's not in our town, but it's in our state.
It's in our state.
But we're gonna get ready to figure this out. Ooh. We just finished the murder mystery. Let's just say we could be detectives.
Yeah, we were good.
We got it. He didn't let me finish writing my thought out.
We didn't pick up some of the clues, but like
we got it with
enough
what we needed
to make our determination that
it was correct.
Yeah, it was correct.
So now we got to maybe mini golf, and then
lunch.
And then lunch, and then we out.
Howdy.
Yes.
Oh. Look at wave to the sky.
After we finished the murder mystery, we ended up coming back to the room before lunch and before we do mini golf. It's like kind of sunny, but more cloudy than anything. You can see a Target and Kohl's right over there. We're passing this bridge. You can kind of see the One World. It's very cloudy today in the city. I think I'm gonna be cold and I might need my pants. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But we're getting pulled or something. It's escorted up with an M.
They get escorted.
We just finished playing mini golf and came into the arcade because we haven't gone in there since. Oh.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
We're heading to lunch. We made it in front of the Statue of Liberty. He's getting a nice little photo, or at least trying to. We're here in front of the Norwegian Cruise Line with the Statue of Liberty right between us, right there. Docked, or almost docked, but the whole city's in the background, which is honestly quite nice, looking at the One World, Empire State, and everything in between. So now we're just kind of waiting to dock, and then that's basically the end of the cruise. It's just kind of wild. We've been on this boat for like 5-6 days, and I don't know, I think the best views are from the city, hands down. We are doing our tips and tricks, do's and don'ts of the boat. Things to realize, things that you need, don't need. I would say first and foremost, definitely sleep or try to get your room in the back of the boat in the AFT. Then I would say definitely splurge for a balcony because these views,
oh, it was worth it.
So worth it.
Yeah.
Then what's the other thing? Try to get close to the elevators.
Yes, try to get close to the elevators.
Because there's a lot of people on a boat, and that actually helps a lot when you don't have to walk all the way to the middle.
So easy just to walk out of the room and then go on the elevator.
Yeah. Then make sure to bring a water bottle, because that kind of helped us, especially like
on excursions.
To refill and whatever.
Yeah.
And then what else?
I would say a lot of the foot traffic is more towards the front and middle of the boat, so you want to use the elevator, make that extra walk towards the back.
Yeah, especially at like when you're coming from excursions, everyone's kind of trying to get to the elevator right there. If you just go up the stairs and then walk all the way to the butt, nobody's back there. So then you can get to wherever you need to be. Stairs are good. Like if you can do it, walk them.
Yeah, I use the stairs a lot because it actually was quicker than the elevators.
And honestly, like the 10th floor is kind of a good in between spot because most of the activities or whatever is like 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, we're right in the middle of the boat.
So then then the higher ones are like 16, 17, at least for the escape. So we were in a good spot for like walking down the stairs isn't too much, or it's not like, you know, we're going from row 7 to 16 or whatever from when we start. Then for like what to expect, you get a freestyle daily, and I feel like I showed it somewhere during the vlogs, but you can also see it on your phone. So in the app, when you do like on ship freestyle daily, it's right there, and it gives you all of the times, all of the things you can do, and also you can set it up as your screensaver. Yeah,
we did a method like
So
that.
we did it like this, where you can actually see what events and where they are and whatnot. Try to join the raffles.
Yeah, any raffle you can join because
as you saw, we won 2 of them.
Yeah.
And even like the art ones were pretty good, but we decided not like purchase, but like
we bidded on some art pieces that were a fairly good price and that looked pretty cool.
Yeah.
But we overspent somewhere else, so we had to just let those go.
Yeah, but the thing is that they do have pretty good deals, so that's the thing. Like
it's deals.
Go to things, and then you'll get better deals, basically.
Yeah.
Then from there, all the classes and stuff, they're pretty good. Food wise, everything that's like complimentary for like the dinners, it's all the same. But they change it like every day.
Well, yeah,
for, like,
some
lunch
restaurants are
and dinner.
different. Some because one of the restaurants downstairs had the lamb shoulder, but if you go upstairs to the buffet,
they don't. So like the buffet is the only one that doesn't have the same food as the actual sit dine in restaurants.
Yeah.
So that's that there. Then what else? What other little tips and tricks do we have here? That worked for us. Definitely balcony. Like balcony was the way to go. If you're on the right side of the ship, it's actually nicer to see the landscapes coming back to New York from wherever you're going. And then comfortable shoes, flip-flops. Bring a little towel. They do give you towels for the excursions, but it was kind of nice to have our own as well that we didn't need to like worry about.
The first day we used our own because we didn't. We thought you had to pay or like rent them or something like that.
Well, the other thing too is that like space-wise, those are a little bit more bulky than the one that we brought. So like if you have, I don't know, we have like a small one, it can wrap around. And since we weren't going to be in the water for the whole time, it wasn't really necessary.
And it was warm too. Like you could stand outside and get dry. Like
exactly.
10, 15 minutes.
Yeah. So that was good. And then if you're able to, when you bring your luggage to get out, they let you do it yourself, or they'll give you a little sticker thingy and you leave it outside and they'll, take care of it for you. But if you let them take care of it for you, checkout or like getting off the boat, disembarking is much later. So if you want to just head out of the boat once it's docked and cleared and everything, keep your luggage. So that's what we did.
Yeah, we're going to keep our stuff and just walk off the boat because we're already late as it is coming in. So.
Exactly. So that's there with that. And then anything else that you think was necessary? I do think it was good to bring like the Lysol or the Febreze disinfectant or whatever.
Definitely.
Thankfully, because our room does have like open air, it doesn't get that muggy and gross or like whatever. But our wet clothes obviously are wet clothes from the ocean. So it is nice to be able to like clean it a little bit.
We don't have a washer and dryer, so we couldn't do that.
Yeah. So that's like one other thing. And then people do put like stuff on the walls. Or not the walls, but the doors.
The door, they'll put
like a happy birthday or like whatever.
Yeah, or
they
like
have
designs. A lot of people put up like streamers and like fish stickers and whatnot.
Yeah, so there's a lot going on those doors. But then from there, honestly, like I had a good time on the cruise.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like it was good. So those are our little
try
tips.
to do as much as you can that you like to do because you're paying for an experience, so try to get the most out of it.
Yeah.
So we were always busy. We only had like an hour between activities. So.
And if not, we were trying to run from one activity to another.
There would be no time.
Yeah.
In between sometimes. So.
And we tried all the restaurants too, so that's why we know all of that stuff.
Yeah.
So it was good. I liked it. I had a good time, and hopefully we can do it again. But maybe this helps and gives a little bit more clarity on what cruises were back in 2025. Because imagine when we watch this in the future, maybe it's different. Who knows? But till then, this is the end of the vlog. We finished our cruise 2025.